Animal power! Excuse me, Mr. Ogopogo? Oh. Oh! Wait! Animal power! Seagulls! We need your help! Oh, that's very interesting. I'll fly you down, Mr. Goaty Goat! Hop aboard! Oh no! You think a boat hurt the mama whale? I'll ask. Animal power! No! It was a boat! Animal power! Animal power! Oh, they didn't mean to. But wet, but cuddly, but shivering, but cute. No. Really? He said a truck came and took the ostriches away. At least it sounded like a truck. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Come on, cuties. Follow us. Animal power. Animal power. I have an idea. Animal power! She said she doesn't want to move to the beach. Animal power! Help!